I know you guys are probably sick of always doing these examples, but as we discussed earlier in the day, these are the ones that give us trouble. These are the ones that give us trouble. Now, we're still dealing with solving multi-step equations, okay? We're still probably going to have to use the distributive property. Here's the tricky thing. I've got to read this paragraph and be able to write my own equation first. What's going to happen if I write my equation incorrectly? Then when I solve it, I'm still not going to get the right answer, right? So we've got to be very careful. Here we go. At the fair, Hunter bought 3 snacks and 10 ride tickets. Each ride ticket cost $1.50 less than a snack. If he spent a total of $24, what was the cost of the snack? When we talked about solving these types of equations and kind of translating them, the first thing we had to do was define a variable, okay? And we're trying to find snacks, but we don't know the cost of snacks. So is everybody okay with using S to represent the cost of snacks? Are we okay with that? Let me put cost here. Okay? So let's break it down. 3 snacks. How do I represent 3 snacks? 3S. Very good. So I've got 3S, and what do you think and is going to represent? Adding. Very good. All right. 3 and then we've got 10 ride tickets. But we don't know what the ride tickets are, do we? And do we want to make another variable? We don't really want to make another variable because then we'll have an S and we'll have an R, and then we'll never find an actual number. Okay? So how else can we represent ride tickets? Well, what did they say? A ride ticket was what? $1.50 less than a snack. $1.50 less than a snack. How can I write that? Well, not 3 snacks, just a snack, Devin. Right? What's $1.50 less than a snack? Cole. Very good, Cole. So over here, we know that a ride can be represented as a snack minus $1.50. Make sense? Okay? So here we are. We've got 3S plus, now I've got 10 ride tickets. So I'm going to have to write 10 of these ride tickets, which are S minus $1.50. And that's where our distributive property comes in. And that all equals what? 24. So we got the distributive property, we got the parentheses in our problem by trying to make sure that we defined the ride tickets in terms of S, okay? We don't want to have 2 variables. It makes it not easy to solve. So now let's go ahead and figure this out. I've got 10S, right? And I bring down that subtraction sign. What's 10 times 150? 15. All right. Now I have 3S plus 10S minus 15 equals 24. Well, I can combine 3S and 10S, correct? Correct? Yes? Okay, what's 3S plus 10S? All right. Now I have 13S minus 15 equals 24. Now what am I going to do? Very good. Add 15. Add 15. Now I have 13S equals 39. And if I divide both sides by 13, S equals 3. So what did I just determine? That every snack costs $3. I found that interesting, right? It's like just buying some food costs twice as much as going on a ride. Very interesting. It's kind of like the movie theater. You used to be able to go to a movie theater for $5 and buy like popcorn for $1, and now it's like $7 for popcorn and like $3.50 for a bottle of water. It's unbelievable. I feel like setting up my station outside the movie theater and selling water bottles for like $2, make some money. All right, the bottom line here in this paragraph, we have got to be good interpreters. We've got to comprehend what we're reading. We've got to pull out of the paragraph the stuff that makes us be able to develop an equation. All right. I want you guys to start on the guided practice there on page 156. The guided practice on 156.